After eating lunch, he and I always water the plants during nap time. Oh, shall we go? Oh my gosh. Okay, shall we go left side first? So what is this? Can you see? This is red pepper. It is green color and later it changes red color like this. What a strange is it? He really hoped to make a kimchi with this red pepper, but it is not enough to make kimchi, as well as our cabbage was gone with caterpillars. Nowadays we focus on harvest and cherry tomatoes. It is green and change the color is red. Can you see? These are cherry tomatoes. Wow, how many are there? Ooh, yum yum yum.